Hoover Dam Casino?
Oh my goodness.
No.
These beautiful rocks. Bighorn Cafe.
That's the bighorn sheep I was telling you about you can feed.
Oh, you're missing.
Bubba, welcome to the Hoover Dam. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a real freaking thing.
That's the casino.
I know. How funny is that?
It is funny because we're so I don't remember any of it.
Imagine being out here on our bikes.
And maybe a dirt bike.
Yeah, right. Not your dumb electric bikes.
Bubba, look out the window.
We saw you, we'd say,
Oh my god, it's 115.
It is.
It's good, it's 95.
No, it's not. Turn. Good. Thank you.
Hold on to your damn things.
Hold on to the damn things.
Clear right.
And next we could go to Vegas.
The next stop, Vegas. Lake Mead.
There it is. Look,
Where?
you can look for them.
Look for what?
Bighorn sheep.
Oh my god, there was a sign? There's really sheep?
Yes, Abby.
Oh my goodness.
I was just kidding about feeding them, but yes, of course there's bighorn sheep.
Where?
Oh my gosh.
You're
Look at
pulling
those
our
people.
town.
No, I promise there is. You'll see them up on the peaks.
You go out and look.
Oh, I guarantee I'll spot one.
I heard that's like lifetime good luck.
See, you can pretend you've been to Red Rock because there's red stone. That's about what
Similar.
Red Rock looks like.
Yeah, why would we go there instead of here?
Did you see the photos?
We see that one. Oh, no.
Wow, that is incredible.
This is Red Rock. Just in another place. Brother from another mother.
All right, put the Dutch Brothers down.
Is that it right there? No.
That's the walkway.
No, we brought your walking shoes.
And when you're downstairs in the tour, you're like, I can't doubt, hundreds of feet below the ground.
You should have done the time lapse thing that
Oh, security check. I'm gonna
All right, Robin, what do you got hiding up there?
You guys got your passports?
to fun.
We're going into another state.
What's that? Want to go up there real quick?
Lakeview Overlook. We'll do that on the way back.